When I lived in New Orleans, life was a lot different. There was a lot of crime and death in Louisiana. When I lived there, we went to our grandma's house every day. While we were there, we played my uncle Xbox. Every now and then, Mama would make banana pudding for us. During the holidays, we would all have a real big dinner at Mama's house. For Christmas, all the children would get gifts. Mama was the only adult that got gifts. When I went to school in Louisiana, I went to Penville Elementary School. My brother and I used to enjoy watching our neighbor's dog Randy play and bark at a rock. My Uncle Sugarbar used to make barbecues for our family. Life sure has changed since we lived there, but then again, life goes on.